I still here, and in this next slide, we will see how to respond for someone asks you, can you speak English? If we can, like this, I can speak English little. I can speak English little. When it is translated into Afaan Oromoo or Chinese or Amharic, it will be like this one. Ingiliffa xiqqoo xiqqoo nan dubbadha. Ingiliffa xiqqoo xiqqoo nan dubbadha. Xiqqoo xiqqoo means just a little. Xiqqoo xiqqoo, oh, sorry. Xiqqoo xiqqoo means just a little, okay? Let me highlight and show you. Here, xiqqoo xiqqoo. To express a little, we used to say xiqqoo or xiqqoo xiqqoo in case of Afaan Oromoo. Dubbadha means speak or say something to express orally. Nan dubbadha. Ingiliffa means English. So, like this. Ingiliffa xiqqoo xiqqoo nan dubbadha. Ingiliffa xiqqoo xiqqoon dubbadha. Xiqqoo xiqqoon dubbadha. Like this in Afaan Oromoo. In case of Chinese, we can say 我会说英文一点点。我会说英文一点点。Here I will put it some tone. 我会说 the first tone, 英 the first tone, 文 the second tone, 一点点 the first tone, 一点点 is the third tone, same thing, the third tone. 我会说英文一点点。我会说英文一点点。Let me clear this one. Yeah. 我 means this one, this character. 我 is this character. This character is called 我。会 is this character. 说 is this character. 英文 means English. It is the P is this one, and the Chinese character is this one. 一点点 means a little bit. Is this one. The P is here. So 我会说英文一点点 means in Chinese I can speak English little. What about in Amharic? Let's go and see. እንግሊዘኛ ትንሽ ትንሽ እንግሊዘኛ ትንሽ ትንሽ እናገራለሁ። እንግሊዘኛ ትንሽ ትንሽ መናገር እችላለሁ። እንግሊዘኛ ትንሽ ትንሽ መናገር እችላለሁ። እንግሊዘኛ means English, ትንሽ means little, መናገር means can. መናገር means to speak, okay? To speak, not can. To speak, እችላለሁ is to express the word I can. Like that. To express the word I can, we used to say in Amharic, እንግሊዘኛ ትንሽ ትንሽ እናገራለሁ። ትንሽ ትንሽ መናገር እችላለሁ ነው የምንለው። Like this, we can say I can speak English little. In Amharic will be እንግሊዘኛ ትንሽ ትንሽ መናገር እችላለሁ. Let's go and see what about the other point in this tutorial. The other one is how to express a negative response for can you speak English. If we want to express a negative, I can't speak English. I can't speak English. So to say I can't speak English, we can say in Afaan Oromoo like this. Ingiliffa hin dubbadhu. Ingiliffa hin dubbadhu. Ingiliffa means English. Hin means to express negative. Means to express the negative expressions of the sentence. We used to say hin dubbadhu means I can't speak. Hin dubbadhu, I can't speak, like that. We can say Ingiliffa hin dubbadhu, Oromiffa hin dubbadhu, Chiniffa hin dubbadhu, or Amhariffa hin dubbadhu. We can say anything we like by substituting the sentence Ingiliffa. By substituting this sentence, this word is Ingiliffa with a lot of language exist all over this world, so we can use them and say I can't speak them. We can use it, okay? The next one is in Chinese. On the last slide, we have seen 我会说英文一点点. Now we are going to see how to express the negative forms of can you speak English? If he can't speak English, how someone can express his feeling using Chinese? So we used to say 我 means me or I. This one we put it the third tone on O. 我 means me. 不 means can't, no. To express the negative form. 不 now see, this one is the character for Chinese. 不 is just written like this. We used to write like oh my god, just to make it more bold, sorry, like this. We used to write like this, okay? I think it's cool, isn't it? Yeah. 我不会说英文. 不会 means I can't. 不会说 means speak. I can't speak. 英文 means English. Here, this one. 英文, this one. This will be written in Chinese character like this one. 说 means to speak. This one, to speak. Speak. To speak. 说 means to speak. 不会 means can't. So we can express our feeling by using Chinese. 我不会说英文. 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 The tone on the yin is the first tone, on the wen is the second tone, or show is the first tone here, the first tone, and hui means on the fourth tone. Hui, 我不会说英文. 我不会说英文. Let's go and see in Amharic. Let's go and see in case of Amharic. In case of Amharic, it will be like this. እንግሊዘኛ መናገር አልችልም. እንግሊዘኛ means English. መናገር means to speak. አልችልም means can't or not able to do something. Okay? እንግሊዘኛ መናገር አልችልም. This will be the Amharic character or ways of writing or expression. እንግሊዘኛ and መናገር is this one, which is the written Latin or English character down here. አልችልም is written down here. So when we speak in Amharic, if we can't speak English and someone already asked us whether we can speak English or not, and we wanted to use Amharic to respond to this question, we used to say እንግሊዘኛ መናገር አልችልም ነው የምንለው. አልችልም, we can say እንግሊዘኛ መናገር አልችልም, ኦሮምኛ መናገር አልችልም, አምሃርኛ መናገር አልችልም, ቻይንኛ መናገር አልችልም እንላለን. If you have any kind of question, you are always welcome. And I'm going to finish this last part of my tutorial concerning about greeting and farewell. Congratulations, you completed the first tutorial concerning on greeting and farewell. Thank you very much. I will thank you a lot just following my tutorial, and I hope you can continue following my tutorial and learn this foreign language. Thank you very much. Don't forget to comment, like, and make subscribe my channel for new coming videos. See you on the coming video tutorials. Bye bye. 再见.